Hello friends, this is a lecture of class 8 subject maths. Today we will study about our next chapter, that is chapter number 15, that is the quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals means which have four sides, clear, like this form, like this A, B, C and D. This figure is known as like quadrilaterals, in which there are four sides like 1, 2, 3 and 4, clear. We will study about in this chapter of this type of the quadrilateral, clear. Now for there are 4 points A, B, C, D are called vertices, means this A, like B, C and D. These 4 points are known as the vertices, clear. And four line segments like that is AB, this is AB and BC, CD, DA, clear. These are the sides of the quadrilateral, clear. Now is the angle DAB, ABC, BCD, CDA are called angle to be denoted by angle A, B, C and D, like this form. Suppose this is A, this is B, C and D, so this is the, clear. These are the angle denoted by like angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, clear. Now adjacent sides of the quadrilateral. Adjacent sides means two sides of the quadrilateral which have a common end points are called adjacent sides. Means adjacent sides क्या होगी, क्वाड्रिलेटरल की टू साइड्स जिनका एंड पॉइंट हमारे पास कॉमन हो. फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक look at this figure like A, B, C and D. Suppose AB and BC, the common point is like B, so AB and BC are the adjacent. Similarly BC and CD are adjacent, C is the common. CDA and DA adjacent, D is the common. DA and AB are the common, that is A is the common vertices, like clear. एंड वी कैन से दैट एडजेसेंट साइड्स मीन्स जो साइड्स साथ साथ होती है हमारे पास एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल में. देखिए ये और ये साथ है, ये और ये साथ हो गई, ये और ये साथ हो गई, ये और ये साथ हो गई. दीज आर नोन एज द एडजेसेंट साइड्स, क्लियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल. टू साइड्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर कॉल्ड अपोजिट साइड्स इफ दे डू नॉट हैव ए कॉमन एंड पॉइंट्स. मतलब कि क्वाड्रिलेटरल की टू साइड्स हमारे पास अपोजिट साइड्स होंगी अगर उनका कॉमन एंड उनका जो एंड पॉइंट्स है वो कॉमन ना हो हमारे पास वहाँ, क्लियर. नाउ लुक एट A, B, C and D, like this and this. AB and CD are the opposite sides because they have no common points. Similarly like this and this, BC and DA, no common points, so these are the opposite sides of the quadrilateral. Now adjacent angle of the quadrilateral. Similarly like adjacent sides, similarly adjacent angle. Two angle of a quadrilateral having common arm means क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स के टू एंगल्स जिनका आर्म कॉमन होगा हमारे पास वो हमारे क्या कहलाएंगे, एडजेसेंट एंगल कहलाएंगे. लाइक एंगल ए बी, बी सी, सी डी, डी आर द फोर पेयर ऑफ द एडजेसेंट एंगल ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल ए बी सी डी. लाइक दिस इज ए बी सी एंड डी, लाइक दिस एंड दिस, क्लियर. दिस इज द adjacent angle. Now B and C like C and D, D and A, all like AB adjacents, BC, CD and DA. These are the adjacent angle of the quadrilateral. And there are like common arm. This is common arm for A and B. BC is the common arm for BC. CD is the common arm for CD and DA is the common arm for angle D. For angle A, common arm is DA, clear. Similarly opposite angle of the quadrilateral means two angles of a quadrilateral which are not adjacent angle are known as the opposite angles. means quadrilaterals के two angles जो adjacent angle नहीं है, like A, B, C and D, this angle and this angle, that is the opposite angle, clear. Similarly this angle and this angle are the opposite angle, so these are known as the opposite angle of the quadrilateral. Now these are the basic concept of chapter 15, that is the quadrilateral, clear. Now there is the angle sum property of the quadrilaterals. means हमें quadrilaterals के इंटीरियर एंगल जो होते हैं उनका सम हमें बताना क्या होता है. तो वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट सम ऑफ एंगल ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज 360 डिग्री, क्लियर. फॉर दिस लाइक यू हैव टू मेक just you have to remember that is the angle sum property of the quadrilateral, clear. If you can find out and you can prove that sum of the angle of the quadrilateral 360 degree, then you will. If you have any doubts, then you have to discuss with me, Clear? Now is the next. Now that is now we will solve our example of this exercise 15a. That is the three angles of a quadrilateral are 54 degree, 80 degree and 116 degree. Here we have to find out the fourth angle. Means एक quadrilaterals के हमारे पास थ्री एंगल दे रखे हैं और हमें फोर्थ एंगल निकालना है. Suppose fourth angle is x. Suppose like this type of the figure we have given, this is 54, 80, 116 and this is the fourth angle which we have to find out. Suppose this angle is x. So first you have to write, let the fourth angle is x degree. Now 54 plus 80 plus 116 plus x is equal to 360. Because sum of angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, you can write the reason like angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Clear? In the place of this line. Here now you will add, that is will become 250 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now x will become, that is 360 minus 250, it will become 110 degree. Okay, so fourth angle is 110 degree. Now is the next is the four angle of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 2, 3, 5 and 8. मतलब कि इस क्वेश्चंस के अंदर हमें क्वाड्रिलेटरल के फोर एंगल का रेशियो दिया हुआ है 2, 3, 5 और 8. बट इन द प्रीवियस example we have given the exact three angles given, but in this case we have given that is the ratio. So let the angle of the quadrilateral is 2x degree, like 3x degree, 5x and the 8x. Clear? Now that is again add all these angles, 2x plus 3x plus 5x plus 8x, which is equal to 360, because angle sum property of the quadrilateral you can write here like sum of angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now solve it, that is it will become 18x is equal to 360, so x is equal to 20. Now the angles are, first is like 2x, so it will become 2 into 20, that is 40. The next one is 3x, so it will become 3 into 20, that is 60 degree. Similarly you can find other two angles, like that is will become 100 and 160. Clear? Now you have to solve the sums 1 to 5. Clear? 1 to 5 of exercise 15a in fair notebook. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.